We are a team of sewing enthusiasts and innovators who have been working on something that will seamlessly blend creativity and technology, the traditional craft and the future of sewing and embroidery. This pursuit of excellence has resulted in the extraordinary, the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 sewing and embroidery machine. The brand's new industry-leading machine and the new symbol of precision and creativity. Let's kick things off with the machine's most remarkable innovation, the new embroidery unit. It not only enables you to embroider larger than ever before with spacious hoops that are the largest in the industry, but it also introduces exciting new features like the specialty hoop that allows you to embroider on both sides without needing to rehoop. However, what truly distinguishes the Designer Epic 3 is its seamless integration with technology. Introducing the projector and camera, an enchanting gateway to an augmented realm of design. With the camera scanning your hoop, your canvas springs to life on a screen. Envision projecting your creativity directly onto fabric, visualizing your embroidery designs immediately. This effortless blend of digital and tangible is where innovation flourishes. And then there's the new exclusive patented stitch technique, a brand new feature that brings the laser guidance to life, creating larger stitch combinations than ever before while guiding consumers with every step. But what if the canvas you envision goes beyond the included stitches? Introducing Stitch Creator, a tool that empowers you to design your own stitches from scratch or modify many of the built-in ones. This is where art and engineering converge, allowing you to curate stitches that are uniquely yours.